guys, welcome to Coding with Chris. I'm Chris, and I'll be coding today. So I am feeling like absolute crap today. We'll see how far I make it, but I was excited to play with some of this stuff, so I wanted to go ahead and give it my best shot here today. So there's a few things that I've run into. We Thursday we had that awesome chat with Kevin Fisher, who wrote Palantir, Palantir, damn it, Kevin, who wrote that thing to do the inspector. So I got a copy of that, and I'm going to download it and want to, oh, hi, camera. Fuzzy thing today, huh? Download that and see about playing with that, see how it works, get it installed. There was also a couple other things that I ran into in the Discord threads over the weekend. One of which is, let's talk about those. F3R, I wish I knew their name, but F3R and I were talking a little bit about this Dragon Checkers thing, which is, he's kind of done kind of an RSpec-y type test DSL in DragonRuby testing. So I was, I told him, look, just let me have it and I'll play with it and see what kind of feedback I can have on it. So I was excited about that. This looks really cool, so I want to play with that a little bit, see if we can figure that out. And then somebody had mentioned this Giatros thing. It's fairly old, but it's a frame timer, so that looked interesting as well, as maybe a way to put some debugging stuff in. I don't know if this is really still useful or not. I haven't looked into it that much. If anybody knows anything about it, maybe get myself some. Hey, this English class 101. Maybe get me some info on this. I don't know if this is or not. I also am interested in looking at other debugging stuff. I really like debugging things. The tools, debugging tools. They're fun. But anyway, let's first dig into Palantir. So I bought myself a copy of this, and let's download this one. We are on Linux. Assuming I want the right one and not the dev build. Now, we shall see. So we've got us a zip folder. Let's extractify that. And just a bin. All right, so let's find out how to run this. There a how do I? Let's go back to main page and see. There's a how do I? How does I do's it? Devlog. All right, I'm going to assume that we just run the bin file from here. Well, that was easy enough. Okay. All right, let me see. I think I want to put this. Let's move this closer to Cave Lord. I don't want to check it in. That's his stuff, but we want to have it closer. So we'll just add that to the git ignore. So, but that was easy enough to do. All right, now, so if I should have that here now. can I do that? Run it like a jail? Yeah. Okay. All right, so that's easy enough. Now, I wonder if I can can't remember if I'm bash or ZSH on this. Bash. Okay. No, that's not my. So DR is this. So I wonder if I could do run them together. Can I do that? Find out. Doesn't appear. Oh, I didn't reload bash. So I need to. What's that? Excuse me, sir. Get a mess out of something. Shut this down and start it. I did something goofy. I never do. I don't know. All right, so whoa, hey, why is this just all of a sudden? Hey V, how's it going? History restored. I don't want a history. Right. All right, so let's. Aha. There's the problem though is I didn't. Hey, Grinormo, Ormo. Sorry, I know I'm. Oh, did I goof up the ticks? Okay. Surprised by that? I'm sure I'm butchering name, my friend, but best. I mean, I probably could just open this in the edit. Comments. Yeah, well, you know, I'm here for entertainment too, not just the coding awesomeness. Yeah, well, you know. That should be correct, right? Try again. What's the dealio, yo? Sweet Lord. Okay, don't ever source your bash RC in VS Code, apparently. Yikes. Kind of gross. All right, let's see what happens here. Oh, you would have done the Palantir last? Palantir. Oh, I need to shove it running to the background and let it continue. I forgot what the what is that in Linux? I switch between OSs so freaking often I can't remember. Run and commit you. It's fine. Oh, is it the ampersand? So I think it's that, if I remember right. Like, how's everybody doing today? It's ampersand. Hey, sire. What's going on, man? Wait, this. Yeah, there we go. All right, so if I, yeah, I'm not gonna source my bash RC again. That hell up. All right. So in theory, I should be able to run this. Oh, you. Oh, Zax. Did I say that out loud? Got tired of trying to read that tiny little thing. And I feel like crap. I can't see. I can't breathe. Blech. So probably gonna gross all y'all out. Do I just? Yeah, it's just that, right? Ampersand? Yes, you did, as a matter. What did I do? Does this work? It. Oh. Son of a bitch, it worked. Not as energetic today, sire, but I'll give you one anyway, man. It's a win. All right, so if I do get look at that, tells me the next seed. Oh, this is freaking cool. Clicked tile is nil. Now I have a world tile that I clicked on. Oh, look at that! That's freaking awesome. Debug is false. So I guess that's the debug mode of DragonRuby, right? Right. My buttons are actually still there? Huh. Oh, yeah, they exist. I just don't show them. Okay, cool. World map sprite. Man, this is so much easier than put statements. Holy crap. $5? Yeah. And my progress bar that I don't really need anymore. So this is already helping me to understand things I didn't understand. So one of the things, like the progress bar, it showed, and I'm done with it. Should I take it out of the args list, or does it matter that it's in there? I wondering if I should dispose of that. I just don't know. This is freaking awesome. Whoa. Got my main menu button. The crap. And that was just stupid easy to get working too. I mean, I didn't have to change any code. I just run that thing. Wow. Wowie, wow, wow. He has a dark mode. How cool. I can pause it so I can look. Oh, this is freaking brilliant. All right, if you're doing DragonRuby coding and you don't have this thing, spend $5 and get it. Right? Palantir. Just go look. I'm gonna put the you don't already have it, go get it. I mean, that's like the best $5 you can spend. Damn, that, I mean, that's a cup of coffee. Speaking of, wow, I am super impressed with that. All right, so let's put this in our get ignore so I don't want to accidentally. Still have 9 more people to gift to. All right, well, chat, you don't have Palantir and you are serious about getting it, you may want to talk to Sire. He was very gracious and bought some gift versions of that on Thursday. So he's looking for people worthy to gift them to. He was going to gift one to me, and I asked him to please gift them to people that couldn't afford to buy one because I can. So that was very cool, Sire. All right, so let's get to your Ben in here. Should show up. Palantir. I'm never going to be able to say that without saying both things now. Thanks, Kevin. Okay, so wow, I am super jazzed about that. And now I'm gonna open every time I run car. All right, so let's see about these other things. So I don't know if this is actually useful anymore in VR or not. I just don't know about it, but it seemed intriguing, so I wanted to look into it. It looks like it's a frame counter, and so you can get a lot of FPS stuff and things coming out. I think bite-sized helper libraries for DragonRuby. All right, let us pull this down, see what we can see. Create unencumbered software, public domain. Nice, very cool. Ducks, I like ducks. Ducks are the best. So, has anybody used this? I don't know. Also give me a bit of insight into making things on the screen. Examples. So it has, oh, a graph sprite. Well, you need to see about this. they're the coolest when rode up. But this, all this stuff, you mean? This is neato. Oh, ducks? Yes, I like my ducks in a row. Or correct, V. But I mean, you know, also this, but you know, just kind of have a personal interest in duck. But anyhow. All right. Oh, let's clone this down and see what we got here. Where do I want to do this? DragonRuby. I want to do it in. I might. Oh, there it is. So let's. I already had a lot. I do, but it's under game. I want to put it there. I do. Set up. All right. Well, I got that. It's good. So let's have a peek. Got here. That is not. That's my. Game. Not sure if this is best this or if I should put a lib directory up. I don't know. What do you think, chat? Should it go up under game or should it just be app lib? This kind of stuff. And this isn't the game, right? I think I need. Let's put it up a level. Enough. All right, so what do I want to do here? So I need to keep them together, but require the ones you need. Okay, I shall require it's these I want to require, I'm guessing. All right. I requires quest has failed. I don't care. Yeah. You did, sire. I was so disappointed. I was so excited there, I forgot I feel like crap, almost. So let's see here. We want, not under game, but it's live. And I want... Start with frame timer. And then... Fire that in the tick. All right, let's start with this. So I don't actually need to instrument anything. I just put the labels out and it does it all behind the scenes, it looks like, which is super cool. let's get this other stuff out of the way. Can concentrate. So I just need my main. What am I looking at? Oh. So in the main tick, I guess that? I mean, oh, you suck. Got to reload this after I made that change in the bash. Oh, I blowed it up. Timer, vibe, frame timer, app, live. Oh, Giatros. Yep. That is very true. I've just discovered a problem with my shortcut, though. If I don't want to run Palantir, shut this down every bloody time. Hey, Levi, what's happening? Okay, so there's more firing I need. Wouldn't it be easier? What have I broken? All I did was clone the repository down, man. I haven't broken nothing yet. I did get Palantir working, though. That was super duper cool. That does a lot of crap. I'm impressed with that. Kevin done did good. So I'm thinking I want to, in here, add a new file. And I'll just require that from the main one. Require all the things. Right? That's just going to make my life easier. Saw a whole lot of red? I know. I mean, what's a coating with Chris without all kinds of red? Right? That's how I do. Nil panic. What's a nil panic? Let's require this crap. All right, crap. It's not crap. It's good stuff, man. All right. Array median. Array sum. Ducks. I always require ducks. I don't know what order in, but that should be it. Maybe, I think. Nope. Oh. How did it get doubled up in? Oh, because I'm already in that. Yep. I do all this, do I? Should be relative, I think. Well, start with that, and then I'll pull it out if this works. Nope. What? App live chat. Son of a. No. Hey, Gene. Welcome. Requires and requires result in all kinds of magical occurrences. Well, that's special. Because of how DragonRuby does the requires stuff, right? Well, all right. Let's get it working first. Figure that out later. Do we need to blame Amir? It's his fault, right? Blame him. All right, let's do frame timer. Good. Get rid of Levi's live. So I think. All right, let's. Midian. Gene. So welcome. Part of the world are you in? Ducks. All right, here we go. Guaranteed to work. Third time, right? Guaranteed, right, Levi? So, Levi. Ray Median. Did I misspell it? France. Nice. So it's, I would assume then Jean and not Jean. I'm saying, I'm doing my French with my nice Southern American accent. It's cool. Well, welcome. Haha, I got it. See, I paid a little bit of attention in school. Did I just misspell this? Oh. I don't understand the problem here. Yeah, true. So if frame timer exists here, why doesn't it exist? Stupid thing am I doing now? On YouTube, so there's some time delay. Yeah, I get it. That's fine. I mean, I'm on Twitch too. If you're more comfortable there, I do them both. Whatever your preference is. I wonder if, oh, that's where it's coming from. That's going to be problematic. But I mean, this was set up for DragonRuby, so how did that work? Did they have live directly under my game? Is that the problem? Got to do that. Why are you? Ah, that were a problem. Ha ha ha. Yeah, in the instructions it said at the same level as app. I put it up under app. True. And I should probably move up there. But look at, holy crap. Already got some output. All right, let's see what else this sucker's got. But while we're at it, let's not buck convention here. Let's move this out to here. Now we all feel better, don't we? Oh, okay. So this may be all right then. I forget to what did I do? Is it because of it requires in fires? No, because this was inside. Oh, it has to be app lib. But I don't want it to. Yeah, but it's I'm getting the same error again. For some bloody reason. App lib, why is it looking there? I'm not pointing there. Oh, there's another file. Okay. Oh. All right, let's see what other ones they've got then. I mean, main require list. No, I don't have that specifically there. What's weird is if I do this and just require frame timer directly. Yeah, I do. Well, I mean, it's commented out. What? App in here. Oh, but because it's getting the dir name from main. Yeah. Yes, that is correct, Levi. It's getting it requires the app from here. So technically, I think I could do that. Just making this more damn complicated than it needs to. Probably. Let's stop complicating things. Trying to be all cute. It's just making a mess. Oh, you think just drop the file stuff, because I need to go to just there. Let's keep switching it out. Stop that. Well, but yeah, except see what happens. What the hell's going on here? What are you outputting? crap off. Frame timer. Okay, so that's all right. So it's getting to here, and then this isn't correct. This still wants the file stuff. That's in this directory, right? There we go. Now we're cooking. See, it's a good thing I got chat here, or I would lose my bloody mind. I already have. Okay, so now we can put that away. Now, what else can we do with this thing? What else can we do? Got the frame timer. Oh, there was a sample that showed me a couple things. By their properties with a primitive. Let's do it. That does. Because why not, right? I'm gonna have to take. Oh my goodness! How many milliseconds per frame? I loves it. That's so bloody cool. Man, oh man. Didn't feel like crap, I'd be even more excited. All right, but I've got to fix my. This is not working. I mean, it's working. It's not good. A lot more accurate, is it? Yeah. You mean than the frame rate thing I was using? Bin. All right, so now PA should open. Palantir does. Oops. I want to. I think I want for both of these to do. Should I do that with DragonRuby? Yeah, I should. So PA. Oh. DR. It's connectified. And I've got the stuff. Things are. Oh. Love it. Love the hell out of it. All right. Wow, that was easy to get up and going. I wonder what other goodies there are in there. I need to shut this down and reload because don't ever source your bash RC in the VS Code terminal. It poops itself. So it's got a frame time label, an FPS label, graph, a clock window. Current length of the rolling window of last ticks stored to be the graph. Oh. Oh, so it's got all the bits that it's using for that graph, so you can see the actual. And actual delta time instead of a. Oh, nice. In FPS. Graph, lock window. About it. Oh. I like that. Yeah. Let's return nil on. So DR just ignores that? Divide by nil or something? Just goes meh. Oh, so it doesn't do that anymore. Like I don't remember seeing that, but in for array and a sum for array. Nice. I haven't had a need to use those, and I thought array had a sum. He yelled at Amir. There you go, Levi. Get him. All right, so I want to see what this oh yeah, we have the sum. I thought so. What's this other thing? Graph, FPS labels. Yeah, I don't know. But anyway, that's really cool. That away. So I could, I mean, example. Let's see. Let's do doctoring. And then it was incorrectly on enumerable. You know. Isn't there some kind of marking in DragonRuby about whether it's in debug mode or not? Did I read that somewhere? Some way to differentiate, hey, I'm running on the in my local debug or something? I thought there was a thing like that. See what we can find. State debug mode? That being set somewhere just in. Well, no, it can't be set somewhere in here because. It's another. Well, it seems like it should be the thing. That ain't it. You said production. But turns true if the game is being run in the ship state. So it would be the bug display less goodness. Right? And then you don't need this goofiness anymore. I mean, it was nice, it was helpful, but need it. So let us do a bug display, pass our ads. I think my fingers are sick today too. Let's take a look at how we're. Oh, I'm excited about how that's. But whatever. I think I. Well, Levi, since you're on here, let me ask you this: is it? Performance-wise, worse to shovel these in individually? I know that I don't have them classed, but is it worse to do this than this, or does it make any functional difference? Because I don't like the readability of this. That looks gross to me, but I don't think that it really. I don't think that really matters. I get. All right. 720 by 90. I don't need it that big. About. Oh, why would he? The more you have in there, the longer it'll take to redo it every time you add a new one to the file. Yeah. 'Tis true. It's got to rearray the stuff. But I don't like it. Also use args outputs. That. Is that like a pre-built thing? Oh, I see. So it's like debug only. Gotcha. That seems like it would be better, doesn't it? Let's not complicate my life. God, guys, I feel so bad. I can't even think. Not that that's a departure from normal, but let's make this smaller. I don't need this thing gigantic. Let's just go half of that. Half of 720. My God. Brain is broke. Okay. That's cool. If I get up a little. Assuming the height will work. And this is offset. Graph is offset to the. Why is this taking so long? Yeah, okay. Oh, I lost my bar there. Oh, it's because I've got... okay, I understand. $60. Yeah, there we go. Barely bloody see that, though. Look, we got this from last time. I'm so happy about that. Freaking works. This is almost useless without a background, though. But deal with it. In fact, I kind of don't really need it. It's pretty and all, but I mean, I'll just do that. That's good enough. What I need. All right. Why is that not? Huh? Not staged for commit. Don't need the. I don't need the samples. The license is public domain, so I don't put that in there. What the? There's nothing modified in there. Talking about. For some reason, Git ignores. Have a lib in there. What's going on here, Git? Is it? Oh, shit, because I cloned it in there. It's seeing it as a... Oh. So it's seeing it as a sub-project in Git instead of just files. I've forgotten how to unsub that. Oh, just remove .git? Well, there isn't one. Oy, oy, oy. It's not. What's the? Oh, dash RF. Okay. Thank you. What? Why is it doing this now? Oh, God, did I clone it? Ah. Oh, I just fat fingered that. Just push stuff. Get into my password lock. Password. No, I'm not going to show it on screen. Know how the internet is. That's what I did, damn it. Ah. Sweet Lord. Yeah, it would. This would also probably work better. I was in the. Got rid of the right .git. It's the problem. That's correct. Yeah, well, I did clone. Well, I cloned that sub project in using HTTPS, but my main project is SSH. Well, oh. Yes, right there it said. But I just pushed up to this. Yeah, that's what I'm looking at. It's HTTPS, but I don't understand why it's. I've still got my .get there, so that's... Oh, I didn't ask you. I'm sorry. What part of the world are you in? Argentina. Cool. We're actually dog sitting for somebody this week. A dog from Argentina. Well, a dog whose owners are from Argentina, but the dog is not so much cool. It's a little warm on this side of the world right now, isn't it? That's horse crap. Am I done? Okay, well, I'll figure out the pushing. Committed. Well, I mean, it should be that. Oh, because it's doing the HTTPS. Right. This is why I really like doing this stuff live, because I have... Oh, that's right. They did the token goofy thing, but yeah. Well, no, there was some kind of... They used to just be a straight HTTPS login, but they did some kind of key thing that is kind of weird. Yeah, I didn't set this up for... I done. I cloned that thing in there and really screwed it up. All right, I may just have to reclone my project down after... Oh, then I won't have... I'll figure it out later. All right, so Dragon Checkers. So this is something that F3R put together and gave to me the other day. This looks fairly cool because it's got things that are kind of like RSpec, but inside the DragonRuby test environment. So let's see what we've got in here, what this looks like. So he's got this concept of things called checklists. It holds an instance of DragonRuby args, so oh, that's cool. You can get to it directly. Kind of neat. And then checklist. So he's got you can check for empty. So basically, you can check into args, which is good. Got before and after hook. Oh, that's the GTK. This is pretty good. I'll be playing with this for sure. Yeah, I'll have to think of some tests to use for this, but this will allow me to test kind of like RSpec with RSpec DSL, RSpec like DSL, but with access to the GTK stuff, the args. So that's helpful to make sure that things are getting actually put into args and that settings are being set. Like, you know, you can check things like that the next scene is set correctly. You can look at that, but you know, having automated tests for stuff, that's a contrived example that isn't probably worth. Although I don't know, because if your scene flow is all goofed up, that's hard to track down. Having an automated test for your scene flow is probably a good thing, actually. So mayhaps I will do that. But yeah, this is I'm really impressed with Palantir, and I'm liking this thing. That's knowing the milliseconds per frame is nice without having to do a bunch of crap myself. But also having this stuff is really helpful. What is this? What is Debug? Can you I mean, is there like a debug standard flag here? Yeah, I mean it's really useful. This was about the best $5 I've spent in a long time, because it gives you a crap ton of stuff. Like it'll show me all my main menu buttons and what they're set up with, so I can just dig through and find that, which I've needed a number of times. It shows me things like earlier I was like, okay, do I need to have this progress bar once it's done, or should I be getting rid of that? It's exposing things like that I never even thought about. It's got my world map here, sprite. It's got my yeah, which map was displayed. I'm curious about this though. Where is that coming from? I didn't put that. I could actually put my world, if I put my world map array in args, I could look through it. Holy hell. In fact, I kind of want to because I've had to look at that with put statements so many bloody times. What happens if I create in that array? Just bought? Yeah, well, I think if you're doing anything with DragonRuby, I think you'll be very happy. It was so easy to get going, and it just automatically works. I love when things automatically work. Let's see. So, map is here. World map. So I think map C. Hi, Dade. Dade? Oh, gosh. Well, hey, I can't see very well. Daid? I'm sorry, man. I'm trying my best. What part of the world are you in? Always like to ask. Let's see. So I got load world. Germany, cool. Welcome. Oh, but I got this fiber stuff going. Well, that's okay. When the fiber's no longer alive, I can just stuff the where am I getting this? Shilling for Palantir. Hey, man, you know, if something works well, I say it works well. You gotta pay me to shill for you. You just gotta make good stuff. How can I get this in here? The actual array. The actual array is in here. It is map. Do I have access? Generic map. No, it just has the sprites. No, well, okay, so I have the instance variable. I just don't think I've exposed it to, but I could. It does generate map, and that passes back this map array. Oh, so where I'm doing generate map. So once the fiber is done, but not getting this back directly because we're doing all right. So what I need to do then is I need to expose in the generic map attribute reader or map. I think I should be able to do that. Then I can say map array instance dot map if less this thing, all of that thing, right? Guaranteed to work, right, Levi? So load up Palantir. Damn it, Kevin. Up the DR and see what I broke. No, I broke something. Okay, so that's working good. Right, this should pop true, and then I should see my world map array in there. That popped true, and then I broke something. Map method missing from... Oh. Guaranteeing things to you is dangerous. Come on, man. What are you talking about? Yeah, it's not world.map, you dummy. Well, actually, it should be dummy. But I need... my world instance to... Oh, so tiles is what I'm looking for. Aha. Aha. Have that. So the other thing. Well, chat, why'd you let me do that? Should have known. I know you knew that. You were just watching me. Tails? Okay. Like to watch me struggle, don't you, chat? That's why you come here. All right, so game. Seen his roll map. Yep. Generated when that hits true, I should see tiles. Okay, well, it didn't blow up that time. But where's my... Oh. Map sprite. I think I blew up here. Oh. No, that's just the sprite. Oh, it was trying to load all this crap. Oh. Okay, so it put it in there, but oh crap. I like loading that. You have to be a little careful. Fair enough. Because, yeah, that's going to have a lot of crap in it. I mean, but it shows it all. By golly. If I want to look at it, here it is. And it did it. Took a little while, but it did it. And to be fair, that's not Palantir's fault. That's me having a lot of data. So I'm not going to fault Palantir for that. I wonder if there is a way that he could optimize that, but I don't know. That could be how he's having to pull it out of DR too. I don't know how he's actually integrating there. So putting that in there may not be a good idea right now, but it works. I mean, that one line of code put that whole thing into Palantir and I could see it. So how cool is that? I think that's very cool. Oh. All right, well, I'm happy except for the fact that I can't bloody push. I mean, I could just set up my... I'll figure it out. I'll get it pushed. Don't worry, Chad. I'll get it pushed. But I think I'm going to have to cut this one short because I've just felt like absolute garbage for the past 2 days. But I did want to come here, DragonRuby. Like hanging out with you guys. And but I did want to come and go for as long as I could, and I was excited to check out the P thing. Well, that doesn't sound good either. Damn it, Kevin. I was fine with just calling it Palantir all the time, and then we had to go into that pronunciation thing last week, and now I'm just going to second guess myself every bloody time. Anyway, I'm going to cut this one short, guys, because I am just feeling like absolute garbage. I need to go get some sleep. Sleep worth of crap last night, but hope you guys enjoyed that. If you want to support a miserable pile of secrets, that's right. I was going to say Palantir. I'm just going to make it all southern. It's the Palantir. Dang it. If you want to support Kevin and this awesome work that he's doing, go spend $5 on Palantir if you're doing any DR coding. It's Palantir. It's well worth it. I mean, you saw what it does. I'm super excited about that. That's going to help a lot looking at stuff. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that as much as I did. I had a lot of fun. I'm glad that you joined me today. I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day. If you did enjoy that, please like and subscribe. Don't forget that Thursday we've got Amir coming onto the show to give us a look at what the future of DragonRuby is. The Palantir. So Thursday, 3 p.m. Eastern, that's 7 p.m. GMT. We'll have Amir on here to give us the lowdown on what's coming up for DragonRuby and what the future holds for that, where things are going. So you'll want to certainly tune into that. It's going to be a lot of fun, and then I'll be back next Tuesday, hopefully better, and dig into some other cool things. I think next week one of the things that I'm going to want to do is make the world map, blow it up, and then put the moving and scaling stuff into that like we've got on the play map. Then we're going to start working on getting multiple pawns spawning in the play map. Got it. I think that's where we're going to head to next. At least that's what I think. You guys are welcome to give me feedback on the Discord about what things you'd like to see. You have an interest in me working on something in this project, I am more than willing to go down rabbit holes that you want to go down. I'm just having fun here. So if there's a thing you guys want to see, or something you want to have me try to implement, let me know. You can put comments down here. You can ping me in the Discord. You can throw it to me on Twitter at DuckyDevShow. But please like and subscribe. Follow if you're on Twitch. All that stuff is free. Makes me feel warm and fuzzy. You guys have an awesome day. I'm going to go get some sleep. I will see you Thursday, and until then, happy coding. Bye.